the coil. It bolts up to the housing like that. Okay, and look on the bottom of it. See, there's a positive on the right there. See that positive there? Positive right there is a negative right there. And I think you can see a number. Ah, there we go. Yeah, there's a 15 there. And there's a 1 there. Look greasy. Where's the 15? Bug's calling me. Alrighty. And then there's three little things. See the connectors there? Yeah. Anyway, you want to just write positive on the side. I'm going to do that a little more on the outside of this thing. Now this coil comes out of this housing, by the way. See this metal brackety thing? I'm just going to leave it in there for now.